Hey traders, my name's Logan and I love trading. For me to forecast tomorrow, let me quickly remind you of yesterday and then show you how today's charts responded. Yesterday, the bears got control of market structure, but at a high cost. The bulls were able to pick up liquidity and push the bears out of the market, leaving us with the question, could the bears show up and defend this structure, or would the bulls continue to buy liquidity and wipe out the structure they just got put into place? Let me show you how that worked out on the charts today, and after, I'll show you what I see coming up next. Now the first chart to look at, as always, is tension. And yes, the bulls were able to take out that structure, but not only that, they had the tension up all day since the open. No ranging mindset. See right here? They held it up, and that closes in a bullish trending mindset, and this is day one. What a reversal. Let's look at the trend traders and see what they were doing. Using decay, we had a battle going through here from sample to sample to sample to sample, back and forth. The market fought through all the trend traders trying to control the future probabilities and the trend. So looking at these, the way to interpret this big battle is to look over at tension, and you can see that the bulls were doing a pretty good job of impacting the broad market. But in the end, the bulls didn't buy up liquidity a couple times here, and the bears got motivated, selling off liquidity a few times and taking control of the market temporarily. They were able even to impact in a small amount the broad market. So the bears used brute force to push the market down, only impacting the broad market structure a little bit while taking out as many bulls as they could. So let's look at velocity. Velocity came down and we had a nice sample here, a sample here, here, and then a couple of little ones here. So you can see there was a big battle today, a lot of fighting over the future probabilities in the market. Looking at decay, we had a nice clean sample here, and this one is the one I want to focus on a little bit more than the rest from here forward. Look at tension during that sample right here. Tension, sorry, right there, tension was rising and the bears got sampled. Look at this. They finally get liquidity here, and then they fail to sell it off and were pushed out of the market. This is very important because it shows moving into the last hour or so, the bears got pushed out and failed to sell off liquidity. So looking at velocity, we have right here some samples of bulls, and the tension was rising through those samples. So going into the close, I know it's a lot of information, but stick with me. The bulls had control. See right here, they were the last ones in the driver's seat. They had just pushed out the bears, and tension was rising. So going into tomorrow, I expect those bulls to continue their control over the market and drive things up. If, let's consider the other side, if the bears came in and sold off liquidity, they would have to now push the bulls out of the way and likely have a hard time really setting that up going into tomorrow's open in the first hour or so. So going into tomorrow, I know there was a lot of information. I will be bullish. The bulls took over liquidity, finally getting rid of those irritating bears and pushed them out of the market, and the bears failed. Bulls have control of liquidity and the trending structure. I will be bullish going into tomorrow. Now, if you want to see how this plays out, and it's going to be good, shoot me a message. I'll invite you to my Discord. We are going to walk step by step through every event that happens while this next bullish trend plays out. Thank you for watching these. I put these out every day of the week for you to watch and get an easy, reliable narrative for the market every day to get you a forecast going into tomorrow. I hope this helps in some way, and as always, good luck trading.